If you broke, if you work a 9 to 5 and you still living paycheck to paycheck, baby, this video is for you. So keep watching to the end, because what's up, Bookie besties? Welcome back to another video on the channel. So baby, first off, if you broke, this is the time, this is the day you need to get on YouTube as we speak and start talking about your 9 to 5. Start talking about if you ever been to jail. Start talking about how you're living paycheck to paycheck. Talk about how you live in the projects. Talk about anything in your life that is relatable to other people, that can help other people get on this platform just as well as you. Y'all, when I tell you stories are making it on this YouTube channel, all you got to do is get up, post a video, and watch your numbers go up. You hear you? And then every single day, if you can. It's nothing out to make a 5-minute, 10-minute video. Talk about your day-to-day. Talk about what you like, what you don't like. Talk about how you been broken. You didn't have to get loans out. How you didn't sit here and had to make Peter to pay Paul. You get what I'm saying? It is ways to make a video without stressing behind it or what it's going to be about. And all you got to do is just get on here and just press record. That's pretty much it. Y'all, it's people out here working 3 jobs and still having to make ends meet. You get what I'm saying? It's people out here that are working 3 jobs and still having hard time making ends meet. When literally, YouTube is making the way for us to get on this platform and just talk. Just talk so they can push our videos. Just talk so we can be the next person on somebody's beach. Not worried about a 9 to 5. Not worried about where the next check gonna come. If it's gonna cover to pay this rent. If it's gonna cover to pay this light bill. If it's gonna cover to even pay the gas that we need to get to the job. You get what I'm saying? Food in your household. You get what I'm saying, y'all? It's not that hard just to make a video. We beat ourselves up and we go over all these thoughts about how perfect we gotta be, when all we gotta do is sit right here, have a little setup, and press record and just talk about your life. Talk about being authentic and just be raw with it, y'all. Come out and let us know what it is. Show me you cleaning up in the projects. You get what I'm saying? It's people that's actually showing the way that they are living, and their videos are going skyrocket because it's not that many people that actually show you their real life, the actually inside, the dudes that they do behind the camera. You get what I'm saying? And when people actually bring that to the forefront, baby, we dive into it because it's not normal. It's not normal. People don't actually do that. People don't show you the real deep in how they actually living. You get what I'm saying? So the fact that YouTube is actually pushing content that is showing people that is living in the projects, living in homeless shelters. You get what I'm saying? Living paycheck to paycheck. How they had to go get a loan out just to make this make it work. You get what I'm saying, y'all? People, you're not alone. You're not alone. So don't make it feel like, okay, I don't have the perfect background, or I don't have this like everybody else. I don't have the camera. I don't have the clothes. I can't start because I'm not doing this yet, or I don't have this yet, or I'm not where I need to be. You ain't gonna never be where you need to be until you start posting. You ain't gonna never be where you wanna be until you start doing the things that you have to do to get to where you wanna be. You get what I'm saying, y'all? Y'all have to take these sacrifices now, so later in life we could be happy and living on somebody else's beach, on somebody else's dime. Not worried about a 9 to 5, not worried about where that next paycheck is coming from, not worried about how I'm gonna feed my kids, or if this money is enough for the next day. You get what I'm saying? Or if this paycheck gonna carry me the next 2 weeks to make it to the next one. Your car break down, then what? You get what I'm saying? We always have to have a plan A, plan B, plan C. Saving, yes, is key. But y'all, if all you got to do is make a video to skyrocket and make millions or just thousands on a video, why not just pick up a camera and just do it? Why not pick up a camera and get somebody that is related to you? Because you're going to find your audience if you post every day. You're going to know how to post if you get up and just start posting. Everybody talk about, oh, I don't know how to start a YouTube video. I don't know how to start a camera. I don't know how to do the setup. When all you got to do is just start. All you got to do is pick up that phone and just press record. That's it. Talk about whatever comes and flows off that brain. But make sure you jot it down and you have a strategy. Because getting on here and just rambling and then talking about one subject, then going to the next, or you in a subject and then you venture off somewhere else, have a plan. Sit down. Strategize. It is okay not to have a niche, because there's a lot of people that's on YouTube that don't have a niche. You don't have to have a niche. Just get on here and start posting. As you start posting the things that you like, you will gradually see the things that that your viewers love. So then you will start making more content around that. Then you will start showing up more. You get what I'm saying? It comes along with it, y'all. This is discipline, dedication, and commitment and consistency. Y'all, if we ain't doing all of them, we ain't gonna make it. We ain't gonna go far. You get what I'm saying? This video basically is just to motivate y'all, just to get us to get on this platform and just push. We all broke. We all need money. We all trying to make it on this platform, because what are we on this platform for if that's not the goal? You get what I'm saying? Yes, we want to tell our day-to-day. Yes, we want to tell what we went through in our struggles. And remember, your struggles are always your struggles, and God gave you them struggles to tell your story to another person. So never hinder your story on being seen or being heard, because I promise that God is going to help somebody in the long run, and all you got to do is just talk about it. Venture out. Be yourself. You get what I'm saying, y'all? And that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much all YouTube want. I'm the biggest person that looks at the background, making sure that everything is critiqued. Everything I'm saying has to be spot on. I'm taking out the I'm taking out you hear me, or you get what I'm saying? I'm doing all of that on my old videos, when right now I'm just trying to be momentum, dedicated, and being consistent. You hear what I'm saying? That's pretty much what I'm doing with this 30-day challenge. I am making myself and getting myself ready for when I do blow up. I'm already comfortable. Once one video blow up, I know now I can make more videos towards that video, because I'm comfortable enough to get on this platform. I'm comfortable enough to get up and show up when I'm able to. You get what I'm saying? But if we're not doing the things that we have to get us comfortable, we're never going to show up. We're always going to eat up. The thoughts is always going to tear us up. That anxiety is going to beat us up every single day. I'm telling you, fear is the number one thing that's going to knock out everything. That's going to stop your dreams from prospering. You get what I'm saying? That's why I say, y'all, just cut on that camera, just start talking. Make a diary. It does not matter. Somebody wants to hear you. Somebody is going to click on that video. Making sure that thumbnail is crisp. Making sure that title aligns with your thumbnail. Y'all, that description box, putting that description with the title and your thumbnail right along in that description box with that first sentence with hashtags. Why our views won't go up, why we won't be seen, why we can't get heard. You get what I'm saying? There's no excuses. There's no excuses reason why we can't get up and show off for this camera. It's people living in the streets, living in a box. You be wondering how they got a cell phone, but they telling their story. They showing you along their journey. You get what I'm saying? You got people that's on Section 8 that will show you their day-to-day life, how they living, how they got bugs, how they have one bedroom and they have to share with probably 10 people. You get what I'm saying? It's people out here really showing and sharing their lives that are really reaching out to people. And all you got to do is honestly get on here and just talk. Never be ashamed from where you came from, because God put things in your path and you go through testimonies and trials just to get to where you are, so you could be able to tell your story to somebody else. Always remember that small accomplishments are always better and greater for the next. You get what I'm saying? Always award your small accomplishments. Always be grateful for anything that you go through in life, that you even made that step. You got up, you planted those feet, and you made that step. That's it. That's it. You get what I'm saying? We just got to make them steps, y'all. We just got to get up. We just got to do it. That's it. Being broke is not fun. Worried about how you going to get this to get fixed or get that fixed, it's not fun. Worried about how this bill gonna get paid or how that bill gonna get paid, it's not fun. Your child go to school and they need something. She come to you and say, Mama, I need this. You ain't got the money to get it. It hurts. You get what I'm saying? That hurts. Having to go get a loan. Now when your check come, you ain't got enough to pay that loan back, so now they calling your phone. You get what I'm saying? We're tired of it. When all you gotta do is make a video just to make thousands of dollars. One video. All you need is one video to skyrocket. One, and you in the door. But you got to keep posting. You got to be momentum. You got to be dedicated. And you got to be, my favorite word is obsessed, y'all. You got to be obsessed. Because if you don't want this, it ain't going to happen. My fiance tells me all the time, be happy when you're doing it. Be excited. You get what I'm saying? And I try to show that in my videos, but I also show passion. I also show you how much I really, really want this platform. More than anything. I want this, and I'm dedicated, and I promise you, y'all, I'm consistent. Whether I'm not posting everything, I'm posting every other day. I might miss Monday and Tuesday, but you best believe Wednesday through Sunday, your girl on it. You hear you? I'm on it and just giving facts. Just getting on YouTube and researching things that I ain't never researched in my life. I found out something yesterday, y'all, that it blew my mind. You hear you? I never knew about a file name. Never knew about a file name. Making sure your thumbnail and your title is aligned with your video. I never knew that until yesterday. And I'm going to drop a video on there too, Bookies, because I don't gatekeep nothing. I ain't hiding, because we all here trying to win and get more than 5,000 views. You hear you? We trying to get seen. We trying to get this page monetized. You hear you? And with further ado, y'all, that's just the main story. get up, post your videos, and watch them numbers go up. You will never know how to start until you start. I will see you in the next video. Love you, bookies.